Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood Financial Dashboard Mobile, fast access step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Locate the app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. On the welcome screen, look for the login button, usually located at the bottom. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Type in the email address or phone number linked to your Robinhood account. Next, tap Continue or Next to advance. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your email or messages for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field within the app. After entering the code, tap Verify to confirm your identity. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your password, tap the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your financial dashboard. Now you have fast access to your Robinhood financial dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.